Bureda, we've got Shikhar Dhawan coming up with 2 centuries now. So I think this is a great time for us to, sort of tell our viewers a little more about this man who's always stood up for India and been there like a wall. Even during the World Cup, we saw it. And now in the IPL, he's having a fantastic IPL season. Tell us more about this man.
Firstly, he has decided that this IPL is a ICC tournament. He has changed it. That's why you are seeing these back-to-back hundreds. So he has converted it into his mind into an ICC tournament. Shikhar Dhawan and
Yeah.
ICC tournaments are folklore. I mean, part of folklore. But I've got to tell you this. By the way, Shikhar and I are good friends. When he broke that, when he had that fracture, and
Yeah.
Ridhima was also there, World Cup.
Yeah.
He was there in Old Trafford, India versus
Yeah.
Pakistan, and it was raining the previous day, and Shikhar Dhawan was standing right outside the Indian dressing room alone. Okay,
Yeah.
and we knew. I mean, somebody from the inside had given me the thing that I knew it. I knew it on day one. In fact, if you remember, I broke that story the day after the Australia game, morning 7 a.m. that he's got a fracture, and the whole day they denied it. It was a fracture. I knew exactly what had happened. And then the news was flashed. Everybody was hugging him, and you could see this man was just gazing like at the sky. And for me, that was sport. He had 100 the previous match. He had a
Yeah.
fracture, and he was flying back. And for me, that is what cost India the World Cup. If Shikhar Dhawan would have been there, KL would have batted at 4 against New Zealand, not Dinesh Karthik. Come on. I mean, that 1, 2, 3, 4, India, that is luck. That is actually luck. And this man is a very chilled out guy. Pragyan Ojha will also tell you, very chilled out, very relaxed. He's one of those happy-go-lucky type guys. I mean, who will play for you, who will not bother about doing politics against you. He's like that. You will like Shikhar Dhawan. He's one of those very adorable kind of guys, Shikhar Dhawan. I really have respect for the guy. We had a great chat in an elevator. So this was in Southampton, first game. So he saw me lug suitcases. My wife and daughter was with me, and if you remember, the players were sort of, they were not allowing media, start of the tournament, don't interact. And obviously Shikhar knows me, so he saw me enter the hotel, and he saw my wife and daughter, and then and it was the same, that Southampton Harbour Hotel, and he says, चलिए पहुंचा देते हैं. I said, पागल है, रूम में जाओ, मैच है तुम्हारा कल. He said, यार छोड़ना चल. And he actually carried 2 suitcases. My wife and daughter waited because those lifts were very small in England, in the English hotels.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we the two of us went up, and we kept chatting, and he was wearing this hood. It was as if he was one of those, that what that Ranveer Singh film is, that boy,
Gully Boy.
Gully Boy.
Gully
Yeah,
boy,
so he was
gully boy.
looking like that, and he was like walking like exactly like that. Then he went out to this Indian restaurant, I think, for a dosa or some meal. But he's a genuinely fun guy. Pragyan will tell us
He
more
is.
about it. Pragyan, you've played with him. Tell us.
Yes,
There are
yes.
so many videos
For
of
the
him doing
for the
bhangra in the
first
middle of
time,
the match.
yeah, yeah. For the first time, normally from different zone when you play, so you meet everybody during the zonal academy or in the National Cricket Academy. So for the first time, when we were attending a camp for the under 19, whatever the camp was, so I was walking. Brigade Road is very famous with cricketers. Boryada, everybody after the practice they go out, they just walk there. That's how it was when we were 17, 18. So I was walking with my friend. Suddenly I see a guy, I'm talking about 2002. He's wearing those hat, not the typical hat. There's a very English kind of a hat he's wearing with his buttons down, and he's walking, and everybody just moved away. And I was like, who's this guy? The next day I saw him in the practice, and it was Shikhar. Shikhar is always, ahead of his time, and he's one of the best entertainers. If you're with him, you will, enjoy to the core. That's the kind of
Yeah,
a guy he is.
he's a sweet
Tell me
guy.
some dressing room stories.
Last year, what happened? This is a personal story. I had an interview with, I won't name the person, Delhi Capitals guy. And that chap, I mean, and by the way, that interview was supposed to be broadcast on India Today at 6:30. And this was at Taj Bengal Hotel in Calcutta. So the interview was supposed to be at 2 o'clock and then broadcast at 6:30. 2:30, Suprita Das, the media manager, was a dear friend, Parth Jindal, all of them, all of Saurav Ganguly was mentored then. this guy doesn't turn up. Now with me, it doesn't happen. I mean, if you give me a time, I'm a fairly senior chap. You do turn up. I mean, with me, cricketers, they're friends. So I'm like, shit, man. I mean, no one's here, and I'm in the hotel. I booked a room at that place. So I'm calling Saurabh. Saurabh said, "Ki bolcho, what are you saying? He's not there. Wait, let me call." So Saurabh is also trying to call. Parth Jindal, Mustafa Gauss, their CEO, everyone's calling. And this guy who was supposed to do the interview is not even responding to anybody. So I'm like, gone. 3 o'clock, 2:45. And I see Shikhar Dhawan coming to the lobby. So he sees me and says, "Kya hua?" I said, "यार क्या हुआ? ये तो मरवा दिया इसने." He said, "किसने?" I said, "देखना भाई, 2 बजे इंटरव्यू का था, ये देख सब प्रिपेयर्ड है, ये हो गया, अब तो मेरा 6:30 बजे का शो है." He said, "आप चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं कर देने से चलेगा?" I said, "तू कर देने से चलेगा?" He said, "चलो ना, मैं कर देता हूँ, हो जाएगा ना तुम्हारा काम?" I said, "हाँ, हो जाएगा." He said, "चलो चलो, इतना टेंशन मत करो, चलो कर लेते हैं." No one will do it. It is this is just a friend helping a friend. He said, "चलो कर देते हैं." And then all of us were relaxed. So we finished the interview, and then this other chap who was, by the way, sleeping and had put the phone on DND woke up and realized, "Oh damn, what has happened?" So he ran down. So I did 2 interviews. So by the way, we finished Shikhar Dhawan and he was going out. This other chap also enters. So we did back-to-back interviews. But Shikhar Dhawan helped me like that. So these are very little personal things. Chalo, main kar deta hu. These are things which make a difference to you.